Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Virgos. If you want a personal reading, Virgos, I'll be sharing my friend's Fiverr link. So she is a very good intuitive reader and she does personal reading, guys, in Fiverr. So if you are interested, you can contact her, Virgos. So these cards we picked are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance, Virgos. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies. I'll leave it here. And one card for your love guidance. We will leave this card here. We will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading, Virgos. And if you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Virgos. So let's start with these cards here. We have Three of Earth, Temptation, and Call. So, in your circumstances today, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, guys. You have good friends in your circumstances, guys. People ready to help you, Virgos. People who love you and really care for you. And they trust you. So you have good friends ready to be there for you no matter what. And they are here to help you and guide you in every way, in any circumstance. And maybe today you have some important decision to be made. And you are, trying to make the right choice. Maybe in your heart of hearts, you may feel a particular way, but your circumstances are pointing towards something. You may want to take up some offer or opportunity that may look like the best option for you, but deep down, you may not like that decision. So, you need to make the right choice today, no matter what your circumstances are telling you, guys. And maybe there are certain things distracting you, and it may be the case in your relationship. So, you have some kind of a distraction, something tempting you towards it. It may be some habits you have, guys, or it may be another person here tempting you. Maybe you have dreams and you have certain ideas about this relationship, and maybe for some of you, you feel that you can move towards those dreams. Maybe if you move towards a different person, but this with this person you do not have that complete satisfaction or contentment. You are still feeling distracted. So, there may be for some of you another person tempting you into a relationship, something which you which you are unable to resist or finding it really difficult to stay away from. So, that may be the case here, guys. And for some of you, it may be some habits you have, it may be some addictions, and it is really difficult for you to stay away from these addictions. Have that focus on what you need to do, and you are not aware of the future. Maybe if you make a wrong choice today, it is going to land you in a very, what to say, a difficult, irreplaceable circumstance. So your circumstance will just go downhill if you are making a wrong choice today, Virgos. So you must be very careful, but there are a lot of temptations you have today. So this may be your energy or your person's energy, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Hangman. And again, it stands for uncertainty. So you don't know what to do or where to go, what needs to be done. But you have faced a lot of circumstances. You have sacrificed so much. You have faced a lot. But today, you need to, if you want to do things the right way, you must surrender yourself to the divine plan, guys. So just wait for the way things are going to unfold in your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career circumstances. We picked one card and it is Sun. It's a very positive card here, guys. So it just means that in your work situation, whatever you dream for, you are going to reach that. And maybe even in your relationship, things may take a positive turn, things may change for the better, and you may feel really grateful for the way things are going today in your circumstances, guys, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your moon energies, Virgos. We picked one card. Your hard work is paying off. New moon in Capricorn. So with this card, it just means that this may be the right time for action, and that also means focus and attention on whatever you do today. And maybe in your work, this card may denote a new beginning. Some new offers or opportunities are coming your way, and you need to plan your strategy maybe for your future, what you need to do, not for today, not for tomorrow, guys, but for few months in advance. You must clearly plan out, and that is going to help you a lot. And you need to be really serious and devoted to your work, or maybe even in this relationship. It means that however, whatever effort you are putting in is going to give the results. And today you should not be too controlling in this relationship. Maybe you must try to listen to this person, trying to build that harmonious, balanced relationship with each other. And you should not try to avoid this person, maybe avoid some discussion, maybe because you feel that it may take you towards some bitter arguments or some stressful circumstances. You must not try to avoid those arguments. Instead, you must try to find a harmonious way to build that understanding, trying to make this person understand your point of view, and also you trying to understand their point of view. That is going to help you both. And you need to be really focused, guys. Have that focus, because with previous cards we saw that you are distracted, and this card speaks for focus and attention. So to whatever is the most important thing today, you need your attention on that, Virgos. So let's see what is your card for your love guidance. So it says action. So this may be the time for action. So in your circumstances today, maybe you face a lot of struggles, and that may be the reason you are shying away, maybe you do not have time, or you do not what to say, in your struggles you do not have that inclination to show yourself, maybe show others what you truly feel, what is your point of view, and what is your knowledge, and what is your stand in anything. But today it may be the right time for you to express yourself. Go for that action. Instead of just avoiding some circumstances, you must show everyone what you truly feel, and tell them what you truly want in any circumstance, and that is going to help you today, guys, when you express yourself, Virgos. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.